What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm with my buddy Kenrick Mills from Earthwalker Media.
What's up?
Super great guy. He and I work together quite a bit, and we have a lot of fun. But we're on our way to a studio shoot today, and we're going to be doing an interview setup. So we just wanted to bring you guys on set. Some of you guys might find that interesting, and so we're going to talk about like our lighting setup, what we're doing for the cameras, maybe the audio, and just show you guys how things are going to work for this studio shoot today. So we're going to have a fun day. Come along with us. The studio owners said that we could use it however we needed to, or whatever worked best, move everything around, and so that was a plus. We arrived a little bit early and started bringing all of our gear in and trying to make a game plan and get stuff set up before the clients arrived. Once the day got going, we really had to hustle to get through all the video that had to be shot within our time frame at the studio. A little bit more than we anticipated, but we made it, we got it done. That's also why I didn't really get as much video stuff of Kenrick and I talking on camera, is just because we really had to stay focused and kind of hone in on what needed to be done. I still wanted to make this little video though, just to show you guys the gear we were using, cameras, lights, audio, stuff that maybe will be helpful on your shoot, things you can add to your kit, and kind of see what other people are using out there. So this is what we used today, worked really well. Let's get into it. All right, let's talk cameras. A camera was the Canon R5 with the Sigma 35mm with the 1.4, I think. And then the B cam was the Panasonic GH5 with a 70-200 2.8. Those combinations worked really well for the shoot, just to get a nice establishing wide shot and then a nice tight shot with the 70-200. We used a teleprompter for the client, which is huge in giving them ease of mind. They don't have to have it memorized. They can kind of lean on the script through the teleprompter, which makes the whole process just go that much more smoothly and efficiently, and definitely helps you on the editing end as well. This was very helpful for us, especially since our entire day was very script intensive. For lighting, we used two of the Aperture 300Ds. One was rented, one was Kenrick's, and the amount of output that those things give in terms of light is crazy. Those things are just so nice to have on hand. And one of them was our key light, one was kind of a fill light / room fill light as needed for the background. And then our third light was the Godox SL60W with a lantern for a nice soft fill light. These lights kind of floated around in terms of use, but we always had one aperture as our key light, and then the rest acted as fill lights for both the subject and then also the background as well. Our mic was the Sennheiser MKE 600 shotgun. These mics are absolutely fantastic for the price. I can't recommend them enough. I think they run like $350. Sometimes Amazon runs sales on them. One big reason I love this mic is that it comes with an XLR and a 3.5mm jack, so you can plug this mic right into your camera with a cold shoe mount that is provided, so you can just have high quality audio right into your camera. But this mic is what we used for this shoot. Can't recommend it enough. It did a fantastic job. We ran the audio into the Tascam 4-channel audio recorder. That way we could also use headphones to monitor the audio. Our camera tripods were both the Neewer brand and small rig, and then the Cstands we were using for our lights were, I think, primarily the Neewer brand. All in all, the shoot went really well. Going into a shoot prepared with the right kind of gear is crucial and will definitely take your project to the next level, not only in quality, but your client will see that you've come prepared. If you have a plan, you're organized, you have the right gear, you're ready to adapt and overcome through anything that's going to happen throughout the day, because things can change, things can happen. And if they see that you're able to make changes on the fly, have the right gear, be able to make decisions quickly and move on throughout the day, that's going to make their experience that much better. They can trust you, they know that they're in good hands. My Amazon affiliate links for all the gear we talked about are down in the description area below. If you guys want to see more behind the scenes content like this, please consider subscribing, like this video. I'm hoping to do more of these types of follow along, job shadow type videos throughout the year. So if that's interesting to you, please consider subscribing. I hate goodbyes, but I gotta go. So I will see you guys in the next video.